Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I wanted to share my first yard sale crafting haul of the yard sale season here in Arizona. Today was the first weekend. All of the communities had community yard sales. Let's get into this haul. The first thing I picked up is this large Cambridge notebook, a lined notebook. It has the hard back. This stack will be 25 cents. I love notebooks, so I picked that up. This 6 Steps game, it's from 1966. Picked this up for these super cool scorecards, and there's like a whole stack in there, and these are going to go great in my junk journaling kits. Creative Memories, this box of cardstock papers, really nice solid colors. This set of butterfly sequins, so pretty, they're so cute. This staggy of stickers offered her 25 cents. I will go through these and de-stash the ones that I won't use, but some of these are really cute. Love 4th of July. Lots of goodies in there. Picked up a couple of hard-covered books to alter of stationery. It has the matching envelopes to this really pretty paper, and there was 2 different kinds in there. The hummingbird set. I picked up all of this stuff for $1. It was some whiteout tape, these post-it note lined post-it notes. I love these. These are like my favorite kind of post-it notes. The old style receipt book. This is for junk journaling kits. Some cute Halloween paper. Love that. And then a sales book. That's also for my junk journaling kits. So $1 for all of those. For $2, I was able to get this Hot Marks tool, these super cute stickers, these really pretty flowers, and then some vine trim. We have a couple of punches. I tested all of these. They were great. I love that heart. Corner rounder, the Christmas tree corner, the big butterfly. I thought that this was a paper crimper. When I put the paper through there, it wouldn't like go through. So if anyone knows what this is for, please let me know down below. All of these punches, they're all amazing. She had 2 giant tubs, like big Rubbermaid ones, full of punches. So I was super selective because I already have so many punches. I just picked out some of my absolute favorites, and yeah, so I'm adding these into my punch collection. And if I can't figure out how to use this, because there's no markings or anything on it, I'll just de-stash it. Okay, so over here, this giant bag, it's got all Christmas goodies in it. There's glitter, there's jars, there's ornaments, there's many things. I am gonna open this in a separate video and de-stash and go through it. This whole entire bag was $1 for all of this. $1. I figured I would definitely be able to find one thing in there that's worth $1 that I would want to keep, so I scored that. And then we have this over here. This is a full binder. This is all 8.5 by 11 papers of all different kinds. So I'll be going through this, doing a sort, organize, and de-stash. Amazing Creative Memories tote. It's in perfect condition, completely full of scrapbooking stickers, kits, papers, these amazing organizers on the inside, all filled with scrapbooking paper of all different kinds. More kits back there. This is all colored cardstock. And in the very back of this very large kit, 1, 2, 3, 4 full paper pads. I got this whole Creative Memories box plus this for $5. That is the score of the day, and I cannot wait. I'm going to do a separate video on sorting, organizing, and de-stashing the papers that I won't be using in here. And then I have all these goodies to go through, and then I have all of this amazing goodness to put away and organize. And I have one more thing to share that I forgot. These are 12 by 12 organizing bins, old style flashcards for my junk journaling kits. I was able to pick up the flashcards and all 3 of these 12 by 12 containers for $2. $2. So exciting. Alright guys, that's my first crafty yard sale haul of the season. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.